Okay, can you hear me? Is that right? Okay, look, we started early last year following on from Victoria Grandmothers. We're all of us just appalled at the detention of refugee or children seeking asylum. Towards the end of last year, it looked like it was getting better. The numbers of children in detention were dropping, but just recently they're going up again. Now, there's a family that were taken from the community into Villawood Detention Centre about 2 weeks ago. They've been in Australia in the community for about 6 years, but they've been brought back into Villawood before and released. It's just on and off all the time. There's 6 children from 6 months to 13 years. The mother and the children are in housing, which is, you know, way over the other side. The father is in this section here. So the mother has to fill in the form every day and go and visit her husband. They can't even put them together. It's just absolutely appalling. And these children, this family were living in Canberra. The kids were doing really well at school. Just suddenly informed, pack your bags, you know, you're going back into detention. So the kids don't even know whether they're starting school tomorrow or not. It's appalling. So yeah, they got their basic needs met in detention on mainland Australia, and that's about it. They've got no freedom. Kids have lost contact with their best friends, which are really important to kids. They've just got no stability. They don't know what's happening to them at all. And 2 of these children were born in Australia. So, you know, the fight goes on. And then if you look at the figures for Nauru, the numbers are actually reducing, less children, but they're not actually getting out of Nauru. They're just releasing them into the community, where they're getting bullied at school. I don't know if some of you have seen the messages on Facebook, getting hit by teachers with rulers and things. It's awful. So those kids are still there, so don't believe the figures that immigration put out saying the numbers of children on Nauru are reducing. They're not. They're just putting them out into the community. And the Australian government are saying that Nauru has got nothing to do with Australia. It's a matter for the Nauruan government, you know. But it's just, you know, awful. So we just all have to keep up the fight to get all people seeking asylum out of detention centres, here and offshore. I mean, our focus is on kids, but, you know, all of us feel the same. You know, it's just appalling. We're breaking international law, human rights law, yeah, you name it, you know, we're breaking it. So just keep up the fight.